Welcome to the J&J Auto Wrecking test video for LYDG428. This is a very nice 2000 Dodge B-Series prime time conversion van. Take that bad boy in. Mechanical failure up front here. Looks like a ball joint set loose. Ended up at an insurance auction where we purchased it. This bad boy is powered by the 5.2 liter V8 engine. We are going to be selling that as a swap with the motor, belt driven accessories, ECU, and harness. Runs well. We'll get to that here in just a second. Van, has a ton of good parts left on it though. All this trim molding, the conversion van interior, we're going to be breaking all this up and selling it. Got this beautiful wood, faux wood on all the panels. Really nice seats here. Not gonna lie, there's a little bit of a funk smell in here. I don't know if somebody lived in this thing and didn't shower or what, but ugh, permeates. It's very pungent. Step inside here, Lexington seating and trim. Man, these are nice seats. Let's just get back here and test this out. Ooh, wow, what do we got here? All sorts of cool stuff on this. We are gonna have all this wood grain for sale, these big long runners. Let's walk up here and fire it up though. About the only vehicle I can do this in. Oh, there we go. Oh, Mason forgot the jump box. Let's see. Oh, what's that smoke, Mason? His lungs are just depreciating in front of us. Degrading, not depreciating. His lungs aren't worth anything anyways. Ooh, we got power. There we go, 130,000 miles, fired right up. Ooh, brake light. Oh, no transmission test on this one, guys. I'll show you why. Not trying to put that Dodge conversion van in front end right through the door there. That would be really bad. Let's test out the radio while we're in here. Working well, AM. Climate control is working right away. Test the power windows, down. Yep, that side works. Man, what is all this for? Oh, all these sweet lights. How do we do all this? Now let's get back here and play with this. All right, audio, video, center. Not really sure how to get any of this to work. Oh, there we go. Fan speed. Oh, those turn on and off. Ooh. How do we do the center ones? Well, not sure. I've always wanted one of these conversion vans in my life. Just, I don't know. Your kids don't really want to be seen in these anymore, but check this out. We've got sunshades. Gonna be selling a complete set of those. Every window on this truck except for the front has sunshades on it. Have all that for sale. The rear as well. All this thing's missing is a high topper and a VCR, and this thing would be period correct. Really big fan of this truck though. All right, let's go ahead and shut it off. Hop on out here. Oh, almost fell. That is a tiny little step. That is going to wrap up the test video for LYDG428, our 2000 Dodge B-Series conversion van, prime time. Oh, wait a minute, it's got another seat back here. I don't even know what this is for. It's like a 9-passenger van. Stuff. This thing is just full of surprises. I'm a fan. Too bad she's rusty and broken. Like I said, guys, that is going to wrap it up, though. All the parts off this van will be on our website, www.jnjautoracking.com. Or you guys can give us a call at 800-425-1555. I'm John at J&J, and remember, rare does not equal valuable.